I funded account 1st of August before middle of month. Money 100K don't turn 5,000 naira. I was like, Jesus Christ. If you are new to the channel, make sure you leave a like on this video. If you learned something valuable, leave a like on this video and subscribe. Around August last year, I had just funded my live account with my first 100,000 naira. That was the biggest money I'd ever funded in a live account ever. That was like August 2025. There I was thinking I was going to turn this 100,000 naira times three. I was going to get 300K from it or more. Little did I know that the market had something else in store for me. Within the first 2 days, I had made an extra 20K on top of the 100K. I was feeling like I was balling. And I was using signal groups on Telegram. Fast forward about a week in, I was already down 50,000. From 120K, I had lost 50K. So I probably had like I probably had like 70,000 naira remaining there. I felt like, man, I don't mess up. What am I going to do to get back this? At least let me just get back my initial capital, add 30K extra. I entered another trade with a signal group I was using on Telegram. I had opened some positions. I was trading XAU USD. Oh yeah, now let's be going. Before you know it, the trade started going against me. I told myself, you see, this trade must enter. Either you enter or you no enter. Anyway, we die for here. It must enter. You guys, I told myself it must enter. No matter what, it must enter. I know they put any stop loss. Little did I know that within couple of hours after, maybe about 4 hours after, that 70K went to 5,000 naira right in front of my eyes. I was not like, Omo. So now, so that's I'm talking about before middle of month. Oh, I funded account 1st of August before middle of month. Money 100K don't turn 5,000 naira. I was like, Jesus Christ. Should I for just use the money go do something, maybe add buy phone or something. 5,000 naira. I can't say this. I can't tell my family that I don't blow account of 100K in less than 2 weeks. What I want to tell them. So what lesson exactly did I learn from this? I learned that you see that stop loss, right? That SL. I learned that it's so important. In fact, SL is your friend. I remember telling my brother this about last year. SL is your friend. I know that the way some beginner forex traders think about SL is, oh, loss, loss. I don't want to take a loss. I don't want to take a loss. But what you don't understand is that SL is actually your friend. And I'm going to explain. SL is basically the tool you use within your forex chart system that says, oh, I don't want to lose beyond this point. But you see that loss, you have to make room for it because this is the financial market we're trading. You get so if you enter inside and you think, oh, I'm not going to make loss, you are playing the best traders in the world. All take losses, even till date. So the SL is your friend because the SL tells the system, look, if I'm losing beyond this point, take me out of the market. Meaning I cannot lose more than what I say I'm going to lose. So that particular trade taught me that setting a stop loss is very important. Remove your emotions from it. Don't say, oh, I just lost this amount. Okay, now this next one, I must win. No, you have to divest your emotions from it and follow your rules. Put your stop loss in place. And the thing about stop loss is that you can't just set a random stop loss, or you can't just set a stop loss that, oh, they said this is the stop loss and you just set the stop loss and you don't know why that is the stop loss. You get the rule for stop loss that I'm going to explain to beginner traders is that stop loss should be the amount you are willing to lose based on your total capital size on that account. So, for example, if I had 100,000 naira as my capital size, I should say, okay, for every trade I'm going to go on, how much am I willing to lose if that trade goes bad? That is your stop loss. And you have to ask yourself this question for every single trade you take. As I'm opening this position now, how much am I willing to lose if this doesn't go according to plan, right? And now it makes sense at this point to say, okay, uh, in terms of percentages, how much of my account am I willing to lose at this point if my prediction does not go according to plan? So for your 100,000 naira account, I would typically use about 5% per trade. Now, If you want to be more risk averse, you can definitely use 2%, 1%. But if you're trading something like gold, 1%, 2% is nothing. It's going to go like this. Your stop loss will be triggered like this instantly. You get, because I mean, how do you want to risk 2,000 naira, 1,000 naira on a trade? Like, it's gold. Gold will eat it up like in seconds. Before you know anything, you're stopped out. You get, so I prefer 5% of my entire account, meaning I'm willing to lose 5,000 naira if this doesn't go my way. With that 5K now, knowing what I'm willing to lose, I pull my stop loss and put it 5,000 naira. You get, so bad as it bad. If it goes beyond five, if I get stopped out at that 5K, I've already made up my mind. I already know in my heart that it's fine if I lose 5K. And that's the kind of psychology you're supposed to have as a beginner trading Forex. Let me know whether you learned anything from this particular video. Put your comments down. Let me know whether you learned anything important in this video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you leave a like on this video. If you learned something valuable, leave a like on this video and subscribe, and you get more videos like this.